Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok on your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your default browser and search tiktok.com. After that, you will be logged in on your TikTok profile after you log in into your credentials. After that, if you click on For You, you'll see all the posts around the world. And if you click on Following, you'll see who is following you. And if you click on Friends, you'll see who you have made friends in TikTok. You can also click Explore to explore all the posts around the world according to its type. If you want to go live, click here, and if you want to go to your profile, you can click here. If you want to upload a video, you can click here, and if you want to see messages and chats, you can click here. And if you want to search some user, then you can click here. That's how you can use TikTok as a beginner. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.